Hi, this is Philip, a provider success manager here at Herd, and today I wanted to put together a little video to walk you through the process of adding transactions into your Herd page. So as we connect to your bank accounts, we're able to automatically pull transactions for your business accounts, both income and expenses. However, sometimes we need to manually add in transactions if they ever occur in a different bank account than you are currently using for your business, or for example, if we're trying to upload a series of transactions from a blended bank account from a prior year if you're just opening your business bank account. So to add any transactions into your Herd page, you're going to go from your home page here at Herd into your bookkeeping tab under transactions. This will take you to the transactions page, which gives you a full view of all of the transactions we're recording from your bank accounts. But as I said, if you ever need to add a transaction, all you'll need to do is go to this top right button here, the Add Transaction button, and we can add income or expenses. Now we can do this one at a time. So if we only have a handful of transactions we need to add, say a one-off purchase from a personal card, we can easily come in here and say add an expense. For any expense that you're going to add or any income, all we need is the date, the amount of the transaction, and the description of the transaction. Once we have these pieces of information, you can add the expense or the income, and it will populate with your other transactions here in the Herd page. Now, if you ever have an expense that is totaling $75 or greater, it is the recommendation of the IRS that you provide receipts for those, just in the case you get audited down the line, and we have an option to upload receipts with that as well in your expenses. Now, let's say you have several transactions you need to upload. Adding them one at a time might not be the most convenient method, so we also have an option for adding multiple transactions. In this case, you'll go to the Multiple Transactions button here, and you will download a template we offer. I tend to use our Google Drive version, which will take you over to this page here, where you can make a copy of this document. Now, similar to the other transactions you add, all we need is the date, the description, and the amount of the transaction. And say you have to go through 2025 income and expenses to add in, as you've only just opened a business bank account. In these cases, you can go from January 1 and add in any income and expenses for that year. Again, date, description, and amount. If you're unsure about which expenses you can log for a business deduction, there is another tab down here listed as instructions that details the format that we prefer, as well as the expenses that you can include with some additional material for you to review. Now, again, this could be a little tedious if you have, say, a full year of transactions to go through for a blended account. And in those cases, I always recommend going to your financial institution and exporting the range of transactions you need, say the beginning of January to the end of December 2025, into a CSV. You can open it into a similar form like an Excel sheet here, and you can go through and delete all of your personal transactions. Once you've completed either this template here or following the steps of adding a CSV from your personal account, what you'll need to do to add it into the Herd system is, for this template, you will go to File, Download, and Download as a CSV. And then you can come back to the Herd system here, back to the Add Transactions, Add Multiple, and you can upload that spreadsheet here. Now, if you are exporting from your bank account, instead of adding it in this multiple transaction section, as the format could be different, I would recommend going to the Your Practice tab, Documents, and the Other section. This is where you can add manual business transactions that you would like to upload into the system here, and you can send a message to your bookkeeping team to notify them that you've done this, and they will go in and add those transactions for you. And as always, if during this process you have any questions or you need any support, you can feel free to reach out to your team members through the messaging portal, or you can contact your tax and accounting specialist using the phone support line we have available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday.